Today is not just another day, it's your day. A day where you decide if you will remain ordinary or rise to be extraordinary. A day where you stop saying, "I will try," and start saying, "I will." This is your moment to transform your potential into reality and your dreams into achievements. You are not here to be average. You were born to be phenomenal. Think about this. How many times have you doubted yourself? How many times have you looked at the syllabus and thought, "It's too much"? Stop. Stop underestimating yourself. Your mind is a fortress, your willpower is limitless, and your heart beats with the strength of a warrior. You have everything you need within you: the intelligence to conquer tough problems, the patience to understand complex topics, the resilience to bounce back from every mistake. You are a force to be reckoned with. Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. It's the day of the result. Your name is at the top of the list. 99%. Distinction. Everyone is clapping for you. Your teachers are proud. Your parents' eyes are filled with joy. And you? You're standing tall because you earned it. But let me tell you something. That future isn't a fantasy. It's waiting for you. All you need to do is claim it. And to claim it, you need to start right here, right now. Build your tomorrow today. Yes, success demands sacrifice. Yes, it's going to hurt sometimes. The late-night studies, the skipped parties, the tired mornings. But remember this: the pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret lasts forever. Which one will you choose? Discipline yourself now. Burn the midnight oil. Put your soul into every page you read and every problem you solve. Your hard work is planting the seeds of greatness. Water them with persistence, and you'll watch them grow into success. When you sit down to study, remind yourself, you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. No syllabus is too vast, no challenge is too hard. You are not fighting this battle alone. Your belief, your preparation, and your dedication are your strongest allies. Even if the odds seem stacked against you, know this: every legend started as an underdog. Every hero faced failures before victories. And you are on the path to becoming one of them. This is your chance to rewrite your story, to prove to yourself and the world that you are capable of achieving the impossible. Don't just study to pass. Study to create a legacy. When you feel tired, remember, you're one step closer to your dream. When you feel like quitting, remind yourself you've already come so far. Why stop now? Keep going, keep fighting, and when the dust settles, you'll stand victorious. Remember, you are unstoppable. You are unshakable. You are unbeatable. The world better get ready because you're about to change it. Repeat after me. I am powerful. I am focused. I am determined. Nothing can stop me from achieving greatness. Not today, not ever. Now go out there and make it happen. The stage is set, the clock is ticking, and your destiny is calling. Will you answer?